Welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to gather points for LFG Web3 airdrop. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description right below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through how to gather points for the LFG Web3 airdrop. Now, we all know that Web3 space is very vast and there are a lot of innovations and developments coming up. And one of it that we are seeing right now is the emergence of Web3 social media platforms where you can upload videos just like TikTok. You can upload videos, you can like, you can comment, you can share and do all sorts of things and earn points. Now, LFG was developed as a Web3 social media platform where you can upload videos just like TikTok, you can like videos of others, you can comment, and you can share videos and get points for their upcoming airdrop. Okay, and LFG is highly backed up. Okay, is highly backed up by top exchanges like OKS, like MEXC and the likes, and it is very it is very likely that their airdrop will really be a massive one, hence this video. So I'm just going to be taking you through the process of downloading the LFG app, setting up your account, and then show you how you can actually gather points for the LFG Web3 airdrop. So let's head right into it. So you head over to Play Store right here on the screen. So I click on Play Store right here. You head over to Play Store, and then in the search button of Play Store, you input LFG, and then you search, and boom, we have it right here. LFG Web3 creates and rewards. So all you just need to do is to install it. So I have clicked on the install button, and then we're going to have it installed. The size is not much, it's just 20.04 MB. Okay, and then the installation is ongoing, and the installation is complete. So we can now go ahead to open it. Okay, we can now go ahead to open the application. You can see LFG, explore an extensive collection of diverse content. Okay, you can check up with all of this, and then you click on start. Okay, you can see you can log in with your Google, you can sign up with your Google with your Google account or with your Twitter, and also with your email. Okay, if you have an email that is different from a Google account, probably Hotmail or Yahoo, you could actually use it to sign up on this platform. Okay, so I'm just going to log in with one of my emails. So for the purpose of this class, let me log in with one of my emails to show you. Okay, yeah, we are right there. I've been able to log in with one of my emails, and here we are right here on the application. As you can see, we can scroll through videos on the application. We can scroll through, you can see various videos, you can like, you can comment on these various videos. Okay, then you come over to this section. You have your profile section, you have the name, you can edit your name, you can input your picture and all. And then if you come to this, if you look at the bottom of the page, you see one of the options looks like an umbrella. That's the symbolic representation of airdrop in crypto. Okay, you just click on it, and then when you click on it, you see your total points. So on this particular email, we've gathered 27,311 points in readiness for the airdrop allocation, or whenever it's up. So check up on this. This is a good way to earn. All right, so I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any question, you can do well to drop it in the comment section. Please also like, subscribe, and turn on post notification bell for more educative content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.